Hey everyone. So today we're tackling a question I get asked all the time. So I'm brand new to real estate investing. What are the first steps I should take? So investing in real estate can be incredibly rewarding, but it's crucial to have a solid foundation. So let's break it down. And here are the two key areas that you want to focus on when you first start. One is you want to be financially prepared. You'll need some money saved up for a down payment. So many first-time homebuyers utilize FHA loans, which allow a lower down payment compared to conventional loans. So you're aiming anywhere between 3.5% to 5% of the purchase price. Or you can go and get a partner with someone that has money that can help you buy the first home. And then the other thing is knowledge. So before you start house hunting, educate yourself on real estate market. Research the average rental rates, the property values in your target areas, and understand factors that affect property appreciation. Resources like local real estate agent websites, market reports, and educational books can be really helpful for you. Now, this is something I did on my first investment property, and it's called house hacking. So what house hacking is you go out and you purchase a property as your primary residence. This allows you to qualify for a better loan terms and a lower down payment compared to like buying solely as an investment property. But here's the twist. You can leverage that extra space. So what I did is I had 3 bedrooms. I had one and then I rented it out to 2 friends, and then you can generate income. So what this did is I saved on rent. I split all the costs with my roommates, and I started building up equity in that home. And I was lucky enough that that area was appreciating really quickly. So made a lot of money on that one. And with house hacking, you can offset your mortgage costs, start building up, like I said, that rental income portfolio, all while you're living there. And it's a fantastic way to test the waters to see if rental property ownership is something you want to do. Now, step 1, we just talked about this, but you need to have some cash. So you really need to figure out how you're going to do a down payment, whether you're going to get a partner or you're going to save up the money yourself. Okay, step 2, you need to get a pre-approved before you start going looking for a home. Pre-approval tells you exactly how much you can afford and streamlines the buying process. It involves a loan officer checking your credit, your income, and your debt to issue a pre-approval letter stating your borrowing power. Knowing your budget up front avoids wasting time on properties outside your range, and most property owners are not going to talk to you unless you have this pre-approval letter. Step 3, know your market. So don't be a lost tourist. Understanding your target market area is crucial. Here's what I researched when I bought my first property or several of my properties. Market values. I looked at the past sales data to see what similar properties were selling for in each area, both as is and fully renovated. This helped me to understand potential renovations and their impact on the value. You also need to check out rental rates. By analyzing rental listings, I was able to determine the average rent for different property types like 2-bedroom versus a 3-bedroom with 1 bath and so on. You also want to know your demographics. Understanding the dominant demographics of each area helps you predict potential tenant profiles. Are they young professionals, families, or retirees? By understanding the market, you can make informed decisions about where to invest, what kind of property to buy. Now, finding the information you need, how do you go about that? One way is multiple listing service, MLS. For licensed real estate agents, the MLS offers a wealth of property data. A bunch of my homes, I had a realtor just email me properties that I was looking for in different areas, and then I would go look at those. You can also do online resources. Websites like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com can be a treasure trove for rental rates, listings, and market trends. And then you can do local resources like contacting local property management companies or attending investor meetups. These can provide valuable insights into specific areas that you are interested in. You can also use Craigslist. While not always real detailed, Craigslist can give you a snapshot of rental offerings and pricing trends. Now remember, combining multiple sources will really paint a great picture for you for your target market. Another great way to get information is by doing an open house intel. So open houses can be a treasure trove of information. So here's what you want to kind of pay attention to when you go to these. Street appeal. So does the property have a welcoming appearance? So this can impact how quickly you can rent it out. You want to look at the style and design. Is it trendy style or mid-century or modern, classic, or craftsman home? Consider the target tenant you want to go after. And then the condition of the home. Is it move-in ready or does it require renovations? And you want to be realistic about your budget when factoring in potential repairs. You also got yard maintenance. Think low maintenance, right? You want the lowest maintenance you can. Tenants often avoid properties with like huge yards requiring significant upkeep if you're having them do it. And then the layout of the property is a big one. For rental properties, 3-bedroom layout with at least obviously 3 bedrooms on the main floor is ideal. This offers really good flexibility for families or even roommates. And then you want to look at the finishes and fixtures. So at the open house, you want to kind of check out the quality of the materials used. This can really help you understand the property's overall value. Now, by attending open houses and actively observing, you can gain valuable market insights and identify properties with potential for high rental yield. Now, step 4, we want to master the rental rate research, right? Knowing your target rent price is going to be key here. Here's how to become an expert. You want to look for similar properties. Once you've chose your target neighborhood, focus on comparable properties. These are houses with similar features like bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and living area. You don't want to compare apples to oranges, so avoid comparing completely different layouts or like a 1-story versus a 2-story with the same number of bedrooms. The condition of the property really matters, understanding the impact of the property condition for rent. If you have a fully renovated house, you're going to likely command a really higher rent than one that's dated or not as updated. We're currently rehabbing a rental property right now so we can increase the rent and make it more modern. Now, step 5 is continuously learn and network. The world of real estate investing offers endless opportunities for learning and growth. You wouldn't believe how many books and courses I've taken. So here's some resources you can use, right? Books. So there's a ton of fantastic books out there about investing and different ways to invest. And, a lot of those books focus on buying and holding rental properties, which is what we're talking about today. You can do podcasts and YouTube channels. So dive into the content for successful real estate investors like this channel where, we're offering free content on how to become a real estate investor and how to make money. Then you got social media, like I said, following prominent figures in real estate investing on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Learn from their experiences. Then you've got online training. So we're offering a real estate course soon, so look out for it. It'll help you ramp up your real estate investment knowledge and opportunities. And then you've got mentorship. So consider finding a mentor, someone with experience in owning rental properties who can offer you personalized guidance. Like I said, we're offering a course and we're going to offer some mentorship and we can help you there here in the future. Step 6, the power of your network. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, when it comes to real estate investing, surrounding yourself with successful investors can be a huge advantage. Here's how to build your network. You want to hit the events. Look for real estate investing seminars, conferences, and workshops in your area. These events are really gold mines for meeting experienced investors and getting a taste of the industry. I did this a lot when I first started. We had a RIA club, and I would go to it all the time and network with them. Then you want to join the tribe, right? There are tons of local real estate investor meetup groups and online forums. Dive in, connect with others, and learn from their experiences. And don't be shy about it, man. Ask questions. I ask questions all the time when I was new, and I even ask questions now. Remember, successful investors were once beginners too. Don't be afraid to approach them and ask them thoughtful questions. You might ask something like, how did they get started in real estate investing? What was their first property purchase like? You might ask, what strategies did they use to grow their portfolio? All these questions are really good questions. Step 7, finding your real estate guru, right? So a great mentor can be your real estate investing secret weapon, just like we were talking about before. Here's what to look for. You want somebody with a proven track record. You want to seek somebody with a successful history of real estate investing and philosophy that aligns with yours. You also want somebody with experience and knowledge. So finding a mentor who can offer valuable insights, answer your specific questions is going to be key. You want to check on their mentorship style, right? Choose someone whose approach works for you. Some are hands-off while others offer a broader guidance. Now, the benefits of a mentor are super huge. I had a lot of people that I would go to for help when I first started out, and it really will put you on the path of success. When you use a mentor, you'll benefit from their experience and you could avoid costly mistakes. I made a bunch of them, and I wish I would have talked to a mentor before I made those mistakes. Motivation and support. Stay focused and accountable with encouragement and guidance from a mentor. And then you can also network and work with them to gain valuable resources. So I always used mentors to talk to about, hey, what heating and cooling guy did you use? Or what carpeting person did you use? And then I would get names of different contractors to use on my projects. Remember, investing in yourself through mentorship can be one of the best decisions you can make on your real estate journey. You just need to take action, buy your first home, and I would do the house hacking to start, to be honest with you. Or you can buy a duplex or a fourplex, live in one unit while renting out the other units. And don't forget our training program that's going to kickstart here real soon for your real estate journey. You can check it out. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more videos on wealth building, real estate investing, and making money, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section.